Why are you so short?
I have a really short torso. All these imperfections are coming out right now. Why's your head so small? Why are you so short?
No, it's making mine come out. I'm like, why am I so tall and why is my head so damn big? Hey guys, it's Deepica and
You knew that was gonna happen?
this is Kylie. She has the mic on, but it's like sweating off of her.
Sorry.
I figured since I talk loud and I only have one mic that it made more sense for Kylie to wear it. Kylie is my friend that I've had since literally first grade, and now we live together.
Literally.
Anyway, so we are going to film a get ready with me video right after this, where Kylie was about to do her hair anyways. I have to go to an event. But before that, I just realized I have hairs all over my face, and Kylie and I are both so fascinated by this thing. Have you seen this thing before? Get your minds out of the gutter if that's where it's at, because that's not what it is, people. Although, just kidding. Keep it PG here. Okay, so basically this is a Dermaflash. And I've been told by a few friends of mine, my friend Casey, who's a makeup artist, my friend Jocelyn, who's a makeup artist, that I need to try this thing. My nails aren't done. My brows haven't been done in a very long time. We're just kind of a hot mess right now. But whatever, this is about a trial of a product to help you remove your hair on your face. That doesn't always look so cute. So we're just keeping it real here. So we're gonna go through using this Dermaflash. I think I used it the wrong way the other day and Kylie was like dying. Like we don't really know, like are you supposed to go up or are you supposed to go down? But I know that this little tool, if it does work, is going to change our lives.
And you will get to sit this close to me and not see hair.
Yeah, but I mean, it's fine. I feel like yours are blonde, so it doesn't like show as much.
Yeah, but I feel like everybody would want to get that peach fuzz off.
That's true. And apparently this is like a favorite of like Mindy Kaling and like a bunch of other people. I got this Dermaflash sent to me just to be super clear. You guys have asked me to be very clear in my videos if something is sponsored or given or what the relationship is. This was given to me for free. I have no obligation to post anything about it. God, first of all, feel it.
Oh, wow. So smooth.
Smooth, like you want to keep touching it, you know? Like I wish my face felt like
Maybe
this.
that's what your face is gonna feel like.
I think that's like the
after
idea.
you do it.
But there's all these claims that this Dermaflash has. Can you pull it up?
Oh, yeah.
Speaking of, so Kylie over here. So Kylie like loves to help with unboxing, which I obviously love because I hate doing unboxing. Part of the deal is you help me with unboxing, you can take whatever it is you want from the unboxing.
Yep.
It's a good deal, I think.
It's a great deal.
I mean, I think so. Look how beautiful you are though.
Oh, you're about to be too.
I'm about to be, thanks. Every time I give her a product, she like geeks out in the cutest way possible. Like she'll go into her room and like look up on Sephora and learn everything about it. I'm like, hi, there's this YouTube channel that you could look up info on, but it's
You make me sound like a loser.
No, I think it's so cute. I'm trying to encourage Kylie to be in more of my videos and stuff because I just feel like she's a character and everyone should know about what a character you are. Okay, so Dermaflash. Apparently it does other things besides
instantly creates a flawless canvas. That sounds awesome.
Dermaflash 2.0 uses a subtle sonic vibration and property edge to safely and painlessly exfoliate and sweep away pesky peach fuzz, instantly unveiling your best skin. All I know is the vibration on this is real. I'm single, let me live.
Oh my God.
And just for the record, for anyone who's curious, I have a few laser hair removal videos on my channel. Long story short, it didn't work and I'm still going through the process of getting either threaded or waxed. I'm just hairy all over. You'll see right here, I'm growing back my hairline. I used to be somebody who went and got it threaded. I don't know why I felt like I had to do that. I think because Kim Kardashian did, to be honest. And now I'm realizing I kind of really like how my baby hairs look, so I'm letting those grow back. So the things that I usually really care about removing is hair here, my neck, my beard, my sides.
You definitely use the tool in a downwards motion.
So there's a video we're watching right now that's on their site. Oh yeah, there's a face wash. Well, okay, so I didn't use their face wash, but I did just wash my face, hence why there's literally nothing on it. This music's a little cheesy. Okay, press it again for more so you can speed it up. Hold skin taut with opposite hand. Don't look at my nails while I do this. I think the cleanser is key for this though.
I think they've just never done anything on their face, so it's getting like dead skin and the hair.
The girl who works at Dermaflash is from Sugarland.
Aww,
I know, that's where we're from. She told me short feathery strokes are key. So I have like one-off hairs because I have had laser hair removal, so mine's more about upkeep, but I feel like yours is like peach fuzz.
Oh, but you're not using this on me.
I'm not using it on you, no, but you should at some point.
I totally will.
She literally basically was using me as her guinea pig. Rude. I don't want to do it on my whole face. I just want to do it on the parts I have hair. I feel like it's baby steps, so I'm going to do it right now.
Hold your skin taut.
Hold my skin taut. Don't look at my nails.
Sounds like it's doing something.
Short feathery strokes are key.
That must be when it gets something, it makes that noise. Does it hurt? Does it feel?
Mm-mm.
That's good.
Am I doing this right? Is it supposed to be like
Downwards, yeah. Maybe try this side and see what happens. Hold it more like that. There you go. Now it's working. Yep.
Are you supposed to know right away?
I see it right away.
Do you hear that?
Yeah, it's working.
Yeah, but I don't see dead skin.
Because you don't have any.
Oh, that's funny.
Deepica, no!
Is this done?
Yes.
It doesn't hurt, by the way. I feel like I'm doing it wrong.
Well, maybe put a higher speed on. Press it again.
Oh.
I think yours was too slow.
Yeah, let me test the second speed on your face.
I'm scared to open my mouth and the hair's gonna go in.
Yeah, like where is the hair going?
Yeah, exactly. I think it just goes off into space.
My face feels softer for sure.
It's getting it for sure. And it seems like gentle on your skin, like it's nothing like, it's not even irritating your skin at all.
I mean, just as much as threading or waxing. Definitely less than waxing. So I didn't use their cleanser, which she did say was key, but I did just wash my face.
The whole set.
So for $189, it's a 5-piece set, pre-flash, post-flash, the charger.
And all the
a few razors, and the set itself. I mean, that to me is worth it. Think of laser hair removal.
Beauty blogger life is so hard. It actually really does look cleaner.
So you're supposed to do this weekly. I think I needed it a little more than a week.
Yeah.
Well, what do I put on my face after? Why doesn't it say?
A massage post-flash into skin.
A hydrating lotion which nurtures the skin after exfoliation. Apply directly to your face after exfoliating with the original Dermaflash. Okay, so it turns out I do have these. They're like they look like little sample sizes, to be honest. I didn't use the cleanser, but I'm assuming it's just a face wash. And now I'm using the moisturizer. Okay. What does that smell like?
Ooh, light vanilla.
Okay, well, there's no burning action, you know? Like,
your face doesn't look red.
My face doesn't look any redder than it already was, except for, I mean, slightly, let's be real. There's some redness action happening here. I didn't hold the tugging the whole time, you know what I mean?
Yeah. It's really smooth. Like, your skin looks really, really, really smooth.
It feels smooth, just like when I get my full face threaded, which have you ever done that?
No.
Kylie, tell them what ethnicity you are.
I really don't know.
You're like Italian.
I'm Italian and German and a little bit of Latin.
But you have hair issues.
Oh, yeah. Do you know what Italians are about?
Yeah, true.
Okay.
I will report back in, I guess, like 2 days. They say to use it once a week.
I see skin came off right there. Really? Yeah, you can need to kind of get it a little bit.
Like I missed a spot?
No, it's off, and now it was just like a little ball on your face.
Well, I think Kylie needs to be in all my videos. It gets boring out here by myself, you know?
I'm having fun.
By the way, she usually is here just like sitting over there. And I think we need to make you do it next time. I'm just gonna come into your room.
I will die.
I always have to sleep in her room. That's a whole other story. Can you tell them to subscribe to my channel?
Subscribe to our channel!
Okay. Thanks, guys. See you next time. It is like 3 days after using the Dermaflash. I just got out of the shower and washed my face, and I wanted you guys to see what it looks like in the flesh. Here are my overall thoughts. It's expensive. So is getting threaded all the time. Did it hurt? Hurt way less than getting my face threaded. Did it make my skin feel soft and smooth? Yes, it did. Did my skin feel irritated afterwards? No. Did it look a little red for like about 10 minutes? Do I feel like I was shaving my face and it's gonna grow back thicker? That is still TBD. My skin feels soft. This thing makes my life super convenient. Like, I need a permanent solution, which I think is like laser hair removal. Once I figure out a laser that actually for sure is safe on my skin. Not even safe, but just like actually keeps the hair off. But until then, like Dermaflash, like I don't see a difference between doing this versus doing threading, you know? And it's convenient. I don't have to freaking go to the threading place for every little freaking hair that grows on my face, which happens all the time. My biggest concern was that it was gonna come back more prickly, and it doesn't feel that way. That's my first impression. Maybe it'll evolve, but honestly, you guys know convenience to me is more important than everything. So that's my thoughts.